Photoshop and video editing are industry-standard tools for visual content creation. Learning Photoshop and video editing empower you to create artistic images and videos, making you versatile and demandful across creative fields like graphics design, marketing, branding, and freelancing. Hi, greetings from FiberCrest Outsourcing. My name is Stella, and I'm an AI service promoter. FiberCrest is a digital marketing agency, IT outsourcing training and services provider in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Today, in this video, I want to introduce you our graphics design and video editing course detail like, for whom the graphics design and video editing course is intended. 2. Course contents in brief. 3. Batch timing and course duration. 4. How to get admission. 5. Recent discount and offers on our courses, etc. So keep watching the video until the end, and subscribe this channel to stay updated. If you want to enrich your skill in creative design, our Photoshop and video editing course is intended for you. Starting with a basic understanding of computers and a creative mindset is helpful. No advanced skills are required initially. To start the graphics design and video editing course, our courses offer beginner-friendly introductions to tools like Adobe Photoshop and Camtasia, etc. So let's have a look around the course details. To know the details on our graphics design and video editing course, batch timing, how to get admission, how to pay, etc., you can visit our website FiberCrest.com. In the top menu, choose About Us, click on Portfolio. It will open up our Portfolio, Courses and Services page. Now click on Web Design. Graphics and video editing course is available here. You can click here to see course details. So it is Photoshop and Camtasia Video Edit, Classic Course. Batch timing for this online course appears here. Here is the course contents in brief. Total no of classes is mentioned here. You can check your batch timing here. For admission help, you can reach us on WhatsApp, mentioned here. Before making any payment, please contact us at the WhatsApp number available here in this website for your transactional safety. Once your payment is done, you will get admission confirmation message in your email and WhatsApp. Our worldwide online professional and freelancing courses also cover WordPress website design, digital marketing and SEO, YouTube video SEO and channel promotion, software programming, and more. Payment method for international students is available here. If you need any more information, you can contact our helpline and email. To know about recent discount and offers on our courses, in menu, select Home and visit Discount page. As businesses increasingly rely on visual content, skilled designers and editors are in high demand. Career prospects are strong in advertising, social media, e-commerce, entertainment, and many other fields. To know about recent offers and discounts on FiberCrest courses, visit the link provided in the description below this video. For group admission, including minimum 5 persons in a group, you can avail up to 30% discount on most of the courses by FiberCrest. Hope that this video allows you know details on our graphics design and video editing course, batch timing, how to get admission, payment method, discount and offers, etc. So, stay with us and enjoy our online outsourcing courses and freelancing services. To check our recent promotional gifts on any advanced courses by FiberCrest, you can visit the link below this video. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.